Stop by and take a look at the 2014 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.